All right, 1b, graphing another exponential function. So this one's got a little trick to it that we got to be careful of. And that trick is the fact that our base is a fraction. So if we're graphing this, again, we need to refer back to the mama exponential, looking like that. Y-intercept at 1. Next point over 1, up the value of the base, a. So, what do? Well, first off, we have a minus 2 at the end, which means our asymptote will be shifted down 2, like that, and we can dash that in. Next, we need to figure out that first point. Well, that first point is just going to be one above the asymptote, so right there. And look, we get our y-intercept, which is nice. Y-intercept is at 0, comma, negative 1. Next, we need to find another point. Now, normally we'd find that point by going 1 to the right. But 1/3 to the power of x is actually the same as 3 to the power of negative x, because 1/3 is the same as 3 to the negative first, and you have to distribute that negative to the x. So you get 3 to the negative x, which means this is a horizontal reflection. It's a reflection over the y-axis, which means I should actually go left 1 to get my next point, and I should be up the value of my base, which is 3. So 1, 2, 3 puts me up here at 1. So there are my 2 points. I can label them. I've got 0, comma, negative 1. Doop. And now this point was negative 1, comma, positive 1. So nice label, and sketch it in. And we have our exponential function, and it is gorgeous. But we want to find the x-intercept as well, which means we need to set y equal to 0. And solve algebraically. So 0 equals 1/3 to the power of x minus 2. But I'm actually going to use it in this form. 0 equals 3 to the negative x minus 2. I will add 2 to both sides. 2 equals 3 to the power of negative x. I'm going to rewrite this as a log. Log base of 3, log base 3 of 2 equals negative x. Therefore, x equals negative log base 3 of 2. And that's the expression I'm going to write for my x-intercept. Negative log base 3 of 2. Range. My range is going to be all y values in the interval starting at that asymptote, negative 2, and continuing on forever up to infinity. Range is just going to be all x values that are in the set of real numbers. So from negative infinity up to positive infinity. And there you have it.